there beauties, I'm Rika and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you another item I bought from Lazada. It is a humidifier. As we all know, we need to relax sometimes, especially when we go home from work and everything must be nice and everything must smell good. So I bought this humidifier to freshen the air. So I bought this from Puto Shop. P-O-T-O Shop. That's Puto Shop, and this only cost 480 pesos. So let's check that out. Yeah. Ta-da! It says mini USB humidifier, and this is how it looks like. It looks like a coconut.
Wow.
Okay, so take a look at that. It looks like coconut, and this has this one and a USB whatever.
Humidifier.
Okay, so but I think it's where the vapor is going out, and it has this design around it, and this one, and I wonder what's USB humidifier. The rate voltage is DC 5 voltage. Rate power is 2 watts. Water capacity is 130 ml, and it is a patented product. So let's try. Maybe this one is inserted here. I'm just wondering. No, it doesn't fit. Well, let's just find out. There you go, beauties. I am now using the humidifier, and I use this essential oil from my favorite healer, and I am now enjoying this wonderful experience of having fresh air in the room. So I've never used a humidifier, and I cannot say or compare it to other humidifier, but I think it's doing wonderful, and it's changing colors, and also I'm so amazed, and I think I love this product. That's all for now, beauties. Thank you, and see you on the next video.